Hello, my name is Anton Kharitonov and I'm an expert at Traders Union. I've been analyzing trading platforms and broker conditions for quite a while now, and today I'd like to briefly share my impressions of PocketOption. No hype, just facts. Let's start with registration. It's quick and hassle-free. The minimum deposit is just $5, and you can open a demo account without verification. That's convenient, especially if you're new and just want to get a feel for how things work. In terms of assets, there's a decent variety. Currency pairs, crypto, stocks, and indices. So there's plenty to trade. The interface is simple and clean. You get a chart, buy, sell buttons, and basic indicators. It's not overloaded, which makes it easier to navigate. The platform also includes trading signals, social trading, cashback, and tournaments. These features can be useful, but I wouldn't treat them as guarantees of success. They're more like extras rather than core tools. As for regulation, PocketOption operates under an offshore jurisdiction, like many binary options brokers. It's not necessarily a red flag, but you should be aware that it's not as tightly regulated as major licensed platforms. All in all, it's a platform suitable for those starting out with small amounts and who aren't ready to dive into more complex terminals just yet. The key is to stay calm, use the demo account first, read the bonus conditions carefully, and don't go all in from day one.